My name is Marty Furman. I'm a senior client advisor with California Manufacturing Technology Consulting, or CMTC. I've been working with pen manufacturing since August of 2024. We had our first engagement, and we've been working with them ever since, helping them improve overall productivity, product quality, reliability, and helping them gain AS9100 certification so they can support the aerospace and defense industry. Well, I think one of the important things for CMTC and our mission in the world is to help primarily small to mid-sized manufacturers become more competitive, more successful, more productive. And it's important to the U.S. economy, particularly if you're selling into supplying the aerospace and defense industry. So anytime a manufacturer like pen manufacturing continues to improve and become a world-class manufacturer, that certainly supports the California manufacturing community, but maybe more importantly, the United States manufacturing community. Pen manufacturing has a very dedicated, smart, energetic, quick decision-making leadership team. There's no doubt that they are going to continue to pursue advanced manufacturing and productivity so that it's more effective and more productive to manufacture in the United States. Pen manufacturing is one of the leaders in the manufacturing community, highly reliable. They've improved significantly since they acquired the company, and they're making rapid progress. It's very clear when you walk through the facility and when you see the results.